Level 10, Proficiency. The Fox and the Crow. One bright morning, a crow stole a piece of cheese and carried it to the branch of a tall tree. There she sat, proud of her prize, when a fox, lean with hunger, passed below. Seeing the cheese, he conceived a scheme. With a smooth voice, he called, "How splendid you look today, fair crow! Your feathers glisten in the sun, and your stance is noble. Surely such beauty is matched by the sweetest voice in the forest. Pray, sing for me, so that I may hear your music." The crow, flattered by his words, swelled with pride. Eager to prove herself, she opened her beak to sing. At once, the cheese tumbled to the ground. The fox pounced upon it, devouring it with delight. Then he looked up and said, "Thank you, my lady. Let this be your lesson. Never trust the words of flatterers, for they are but traps in disguise."